Check out this 2004 Mercury Mountaineer. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes all-wheel drive, driven by a 5-speed automatic transmission. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. Let the outside in with a power sunroof. And memory settings are one of many features. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, cruise control, a DVD system, an AM/FM stereo, a satellite radio, power mirrors. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.